Today I'm here with the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 2-litre TDI finished in pure white and I'm going to show you around it. Starting with the exterior design then, and how good does the Tiguan look? Especially finished in pure white, it really does stand out. And this is also the R Line, so it's got some nice exterior accents, such as the gloss black found on the lower bumper and the chrome accents too found within the grille. It really does give that powerful SUV look. Additionally, this is also optioned with the incredible IQ LED matrix headlight unit, which provides ultimate visibility throughout a wide range of driving conditions, and it splits the main beam around passers-by, so it makes driving really easy. Another standout feature that I really need to show you is the alloy wheels. Now, as we all know, alloys can make or break a car. These are 20-inch Misano alloys with that two-tone effect, and I think they really stand out. There's of course lots of different alloys to choose from. I'll leave a link down below in the description to our website where you can view them all for yourself. But as we move further down, you've got gorgeous little accents such as the R Line badging here with the gloss black and the chrome, and of course you've got body coloured wing mirrors. Now, a nice feature is this has got blind spot assist built in, which basically looks over your shoulder for you, but do also check. But if you haven't tested this out, please do come down and test it out for yourself. It really is a game changer. Further down, as mentioned, you've got all these chrome accents around the window surround and the lower door trim too, which is nice and it stays consistent. If you've got kids or rear passengers, this is also fitted with rear privacy glass, so it's perfect, gives that element of privacy obviously, and if you've got a VIP, well, say no more. And of course, this is an SUV, so practicality is at the forefront, and this has got the roof rails, so if you'd like to take some bikes with you on holiday, or you want that additional space with the roof box, you can have it with this, which is what you've always wanted from an SUV. And you may have also seen with the eagle-eyed viewers is you've got an opening panoramic roof, which just changes the interior environment, but more on that later. Now, we can't not mention the rear design. It's absolutely breathtaking, as you can imagine. Starting, you've got the body-coloured integrated roof spoiler, which is a nice addition, and you've also got the continued rear privacy glass. Of course, you've got the rear IQ LED taillights too, which look absolutely phenomenal, and you've got all the subtle chrome trim and also the gloss black rear bumper, not to mention the chrome exhaust finishes. These are fake, but they still look absolutely fantastic. Under the hood is a powerful 2-litre TDI engine producing 150 PS, along with a brilliant 266 Nm of torque, and it'll get you 0 to 62 in around 9.4 seconds, which is quite respectable. And better yet, it also offers fantastic efficiency, so it's the perfect daily commuter. Now onto the interior, and it feels so premium and super spacious. That's thanks to the opening panoramic roof, which lets all this light into the cabin, providing a really nice driving environment for you and your passengers. Talking about driving, what is there for the driver? Well, there's loads. To start off with, you've got a multifunctional leather trim steering wheel with perforated center grips and lots of different controls, such as voice activation, heated steering wheel element, adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for long motorway journeys, and you can also customize the full digital instrument cluster. Now, that's 10.25 inches, which is plenty big enough, and it provides all the data and information you need to get you to your destination effortlessly and safely. Now, to the left of me is another screen. This is a color touchscreen display, super responsive, and you've also got hand gestures too. It's packed full of applications, so you've got DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation so you don't get lost, and you can also seamlessly integrate your smartphone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Lower down still, you've got dual zone climate control with the haptic feedback buttons and heated seats too, perfect throughout those cold winter months. You've got USB-C chargers down there and a charging platform too, which is a really nice feature in these modern cars, and of course the fantastic DSG gearbox with a range of different driving modes to suit your driving style. The rear interior echoes that of the front. It's absolutely breathtaking. You've got the two-tone rear seat with a centre cloth pattern, which is really nice, and the rear passengers can also benefit from a centre armrest with space for 2 cup holders. There's integrated ice fix points too, which is perfect for those child seat mountings, and you've also got rear climate control along with power supplies, keeping your rear passengers entertained on those long journeys. Now, when looking at an SUV, you're looking at it for the practicality aspect, and well, you're looking at the right vehicle because the Volkswagen Tiguan delivers. There's 615, that's right, over 600 litres of boot space here, so you can easily store up to 2 very large suitcases or take it on a massive shopping spree. But if that's not enough, don't worry, you can simply pull this little toggle tab here and it will fold down the rear seats, and when you fold both seats down, you get over 1,600 litres of space, which is absolutely mind-blowing. So then, I hope this gives you a better insight into the Volkswagen Tiguan itself. It's a phenomenal car, it has loads of space, lots of technology, and it's pretty punchy too. For any further information, please head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description so you can check all of that out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. But until then, see you next time.